Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick shop update and project update, as I haven't posted much on my Instagram lately or on my YouTube. Kind of just been working. I'm keeping the focus on the parts business and just gathering parts for this project, my E30, and then the project that is missing. So unfortunately, I sold the S50 project. I really should just be focusing on getting this one done and complete, or at least looking good and running good, instead of, already getting rid of, already starting a second project. And I already have one E30, and the next project I really do want to start isn't an E30, but it is another BMW. So, unfortunately, that car sold, motor sold, all the parts for it sold. So, that's all done. We have Josh's car here, which I will start posting some videos on this shortly. Manual swap, 5-lug swap, full suspension refresh, and a bunch of other stuff. I have this 318i that's just hanging in the shop that I already sold. Finally got a press, so I can press out all these rear subframes. Hopefully this is the week of Christmas 2020, so yes, this will probably get posted in a couple weeks, so it's behind, but these just need to be power washed, and then I'm going to have them welded. I finally got the front welded up, so I have 4 fronts here. They just need to be sandblasted and then powder coated, and then 3 of them will be for sale. And same for the rears, 3 of them will be for sale. Finally finished doing 5-lug on my car. We are dropping the subframes on both cars, as Josh will probably be taking my subframe, which has fresh 88 bushings from Garagistic, and swapping it into his, and then we'll be doing 5-lug using E46
325i rear calipers and Z4 rear hubs.
There you go, if you heard that. That'll be in its own video. A bunch of videos coming on Josh's car, super clean. And that's the shop update. A lot of updates will be coming on this car. As you can see, the cage is in. I still need to finish up on the cluster and the dash and the center console and the shifter. And, there's still plenty of work to do on this car, so don't mind that. So that's the update. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.